My name is Amie Jensen. I'm a professional realtor of over 12 years. I like to consider myself a real estate SOULutionist with an emphasis on the soul. I've gotten really into energy work, and I have incorporated that into my career because what that looks like is just really connecting to my clients energetically and then helping match that to a space that fits them. Homes are people's stability and structure and foundation, and I don't take that lightly that my job is to really help people get set. I just love working with people. I connect with them so much, and we have so much fun during the process, whether it's buying or selling. I connect a lot on social media. I network a lot, and I just love meeting people organically and hearing a need that they have in regards to their housing situation and crafting a master strategy to help them make moves to get where they need to be, and then just really focus on their goals, whether that's like grabbing on to an amazing deal, a distressed property, which is I specialize in short sales and distressed properties investments, helping people really have an opportunity to get in at the base level of the market and build real estate wealth. I would love to work with you and craft a perfect solution for you and your housing needs.